In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new organization in GoodDay. This is really useful if you manage work for multiple companies, departments, or client teams, and you want to keep everything clearly separated and organized. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and I'll also explain what's happening on screen so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, make sure you're logged into your GoodDay account and you're on the main dashboard. On the bottom left side of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. This is usually either your photo, your initials, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu related to your personal account and organization settings. In that menu, look for the option that says Switch Organization. This is the area where you can move between existing organizations you're part of, and also where you'll be able to create a brand new one. Click on Switch Organization to continue. A new panel or window will appear, showing you the organizations currently associated with your account. Somewhere in this view, you'll see a button or link labeled New Organization. Click on New Organization to start setting up a fresh workspace. Once you do that, GoodDay will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts may ask you for details like the organization name, what type of work you do, and possibly some preferences for how you want to use the platform. Take a moment to choose a clear and recognizable name, especially if you're going to be working with a team. This makes it much easier to distinguish between multiple organizations later on. As you follow each prompt, read the short descriptions that appear on screen. They're designed to help you decide which options are best for your situation. If there are any optional settings, you can usually leave them at their default values and adjust them later once you're more familiar with the workspace. When you reach the end of the prompts, confirm or save your changes. GoodDay will then create your new organization and switch you into it automatically. From here, you can start inviting team members, setting up projects, and customizing the environment to match how your team works. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your profile icon, choosing Switch Organization, selecting New Organization, and then simply following the on-screen prompts, you can quickly create a clean, separate